Several teachers recently have asked how students can do a voiceover on a presentation. Here are the instructions. First, open up a new tab, and we're going to go to Apps in the top left corner and the Web Store. From here, we're going to search for the add-on Snag It from TechSmith. The students can do this from their Chromebooks, and the teachers can do this from either their Mac or PC laptops. Click on the blue Add to Chrome button, and it will then add the Snag It feature or the Snag It extension to your Chrome web browser. After you've added the Snag It extension to your Chrome web browser, open up the presentation that you would like to record. Put it into presentation mode, and if it goes into full screen, you're going to need to get out of full screen by clicking on whatever option that presentation tool has for exiting full screen mode. Once you're out of full screen mode, click on the Snag It extension and it will bring up your options for recording your voiceover. Under Video, click Screen, and the first time that you run this extension, it's going to ask for permission to use your microphone and your camera. You must grant it permission in order to run this extension. After you grant permission, choose the screen you would like to record and click Share. As soon as you click the Share button, it's going to start your recording. You or students can then walk through their entire presentation, record it, and when they're completely done, click the blue Stop Sharing button at the bottom. After you click Stop Sharing, it's going to take you to this TechSmith Snag It screen where you can name your video. Your video, after you create it, automatically shares to your Google Drive, but there are additional options that you can choose by selecting the blue button in the bottom right corner. You can get the link to your Google Drive video, you can send the video straight to YouTube, or you can create an animated GIF. The first time you do this, Snag It's going to ask for permission to your Google Drive and to your YouTube account. You must grant it permission in order to save it to Google Drive and in order for it to send to YouTube. In this situation, I'm going to click Google Drive link, and all that's going to do is copy the URL to my clipboard. If I go back to my Google Drive, when I installed the extension Snag It, it created a folder in my Google Drive called TechSmith. Anytime I use the Snag It extension, it will save my videos to that TechSmith folder. Once it's in Drive, you can share it just like you would any other file that's in Drive. So you can give it a right click or a control click if you're on a Mac. Go to Share, and you can share it with whomever you would like to share it with. If you have any questions on how to create the voiceover for a project or how this process works, give me a call or shoot me a message, and I'd be happy to walk you through it.